What are the 5 building blocks of growing your lawn care business? Stay tuned. I'm about to drop some nuggets on this one. What's up? This is Vic from Cutz Premium Lawn Care here in Conyers, Georgia. As always, hope you guys are cutting on. So today, fam, I'm gonna drop some nuggets on the 5 building blocks of building your lawn care business. But first, if you're new to the channel, I'm just a normal small business owner trying to take his lawn care business from $300,000 to $500,000 this year. And I'm going to share my ups and downs, some of my mistakes that I make. Hopefully you can benefit from it. And like I always say, hope you guys can cut on. So fam, there are 5 building blocks for me in growing my lawn care business. Number 5, understanding how to build your route. I know a lot of people talking about route density. I get it. But my phone don't ring off the hook for route density. It doesn't. And I do put a lot of flyers in the subdivisions that I'm in. But I noticed last year that I was getting a lot of phone calls from McDonough, right? And McDonough is growing and developing there. So that's why I was getting a lot of phone calls. So what I did was I decided I wanted to go into McDonough, which is about 30 minutes from me. Now, what I used was a strategy that I showed last week. I didn't just go with the first person who called me and wanted me to come out to cut their yard. I looked from the Google map to see what was in their area. And I only went based upon how many other properties was around that current property. And what I did was I built a route on a road. It's a road that I travel on down there. And if you was off that highway or road, I said yes to you, because off that highway and road, it's a lot of gas stations, it's a lot of eateries, and it's a whole lot of subdivisions. So if you're trying to grow your business and get into an area, look into where you're getting most of your leads, your phone calls from, and look to see where those large subdivisions are or those routes with gas stations and stores. Start in that area, build your route, because now if you're not on that street or you're not in my route, it's automatically no, I don't pick you up. So that's one way of building your lawn care business. Number 4, learn to say no to the walk-ups. Yes, I understand. A lot of times we have people come up to and say, can you just edge my property? Can you just cut the backyard? I have problems. Learn to say no. No. I only service clients who are under contract, who wants to be serviced every 2 weeks. The answer is no. Because you can't grow your business doing stuff like that, and then they just look at you as a guy who just come cut their yard or do things when they want you to do it. Okay? So that's important. Now, even for your clients, you have to also learn to say no to them sometimes, especially when you know you have crunch time. When it's raining and they want to do add-ons, I'm telling them, hey, I'm trying to beat the rain. I cannot do your add-on today, and that's when they want it. They want it when you're there, and they don't give you a time to strategize. Hey, let me know a day ahead of time. Sometimes I might need to know 14 days so I can strategize yours versus someone else. And a lot of times that's exactly what I do. I can't do it today. I'll put you on the rotation for the next time. And here's the question. If your hedge cleanup is more than, I'll say if your hedge cleanup is less than $50, can I go ahead and do it when I'm out there? And most of them say yes. In other words, give them a price right then and there. You ain't got to see it. Just tell them, hey, if it's less than this, can I go ahead and do it? A lot of times they'll say yes to that. If not, fam, you need to say no. The 3rd building block of growing your business is knowing the answer before your clients ask the question. Now you're saying, how is that possible? Well, truth be told, 9 times out of 10, clients are all the same. They're all the same. They come in different categories. Category number 1, this client, all they say to you, to your text about you coming out is, okay, thank you. The number 2 client is the client that pretty much try to dictate to you how they want to be served. Now you can't come out today. You can't come out tomorrow. And the number 3 client is the person is not only are they going to tell you how to come out, when to come out, but they're also going to be there when you get there. They're going to be looking out the window. Those are the 3 clients. So basically from that experience, you should have the answers to their questions. Question number 1. For client number 1, all he wants to know is when you coming out. That's I already have that pre-made. I already have a pre-made script letting them know, hey, I'm coming out tomorrow. Make sure all your stuff is out of your yard. If we roll over something and damage it, we're not paying for it. The other one, the pre-made one, is the person who is saying, hey, can you skip me this week? Can you come on Thursday? Got something pre-made for them. In the contract, we do not skip properties. It's bi-weekly, and it's based upon your property location. And the other one is, the third one, hey, can you, when you come out, I want to show you something. If time permits. I would love to so and so. But if time doesn't permit, I told my guys, they come out and ask you, hey, can you come look at this? You say to them, if you don't have time, ma'am, is it possible that you can call the office, because whatever, so we can know next time what it is that you would like, because we're on a time crunch and we don't want to overlook your concerns. You have to tell them just like that, because at the end of the day, you can be sitting out there in the yard talking to somebody for an hour, and my guys probably don't mind talking for an hour if they chilling and getting paid, but we do. So you have to have these pre-made problem solvers. And what I mean by that, if you already dealt with one, know what your answer was. Repeat, repeat, repeat. Number 2, building block to growing your business. Know what you're selling. Okay? Now, what I mean is, yeah, you can sell, everybody's selling I cut grass. And somebody gonna say, I sell cutting grass the best. Fam, that's not me. I sell dependability, liability. Meaning, can you count on me to come cut your yard every other week? Yes, can you depend on me that I won't get ghosts if I shoot a rock through your window? And believe me, I had enough of this year. And the answer is yes, you can depend on me. So that's what I sell to my clientele. I sell them that. I don't sell them, I cut grass the best and I'm going to be out in your yard for 4.5 hours making sure everything looks nice and perfect. Do I jack up yards? The answer is no. But you have to understand what you're selling and then you sell it. Because if you're just selling I cut grass, isn't that all what we do? Don't we all cut grass? You have to sell something and you got to know what it is that you're selling and sell it to the clientele. Put it in writing, and that's what I do. I put mine in writing. I sell dependability and reliability. If you don't believe me, go check my Google reviews. They will say that we can count on these people to come and service our yard when they say they're going to come. So understanding that is a key to building your business. Number 1 building block to building your lawn care business is promotion. That's right, fam, promotion. So what I'm going to do is there are certain subdivisions I really want to be in, or I'm already in basically, and I'm going to promote them on my website. I've seen other lawn care pros do it. Basically what it is that you have that subdivision's name. You'll tell them this is what it costs you without a fence. This is what it will cost you with the fence. This is what it will cost you if you have a corner lot. That way, anytime anybody comes to your website, automatically they already know your prices, and this will promote business to the areas where you really want to be, or should I say, where you already are. So that's what I'm going to do this off season. I'm going to figure out where I'm at mostly, where all my properties are. I got 1 subdivision. I'm already there. I got 18 properties. Man, I'm going to put them up. I'm going to say, this is what it is, cow, and send it over. And hopefully I'll get some looks, because at the end of the day, People want to know how much it costs. They'll figure out what you do later. So hopefully, fam, this has been something that you can learn from. So as always, cut on lawn care family, cut on. I'm cutting out. Peace.